Alright, today we're going to install the 245mm Pro Series single disc 3600 torque converter from Circle D. I did fill it up with a little bit more than half a quart of ATF. So I already got it in there. It kind of went in a little bit, turned it back and forth and around circles a few times. See a little bit of fluid leaked out, but it went in a little bit farther, so I'm pretty comfortable that it's in all the way. What I did, I'm going to do this two different ways, is measure that. You can see that it's about, if my focus on the tape measure, it's 7/8. My focus gets right. Then I measure it over here too, just to see what it would be on both sides, to make sure it's accurate. There you go. 7/8. Sorry, so not focusing real well. And then got a straight edge and put it across here. I put it across there like that, and I measured the distance from the straight edge to the bolt hole there, and I even did it up here. I kind of went at a different angle, measured the bolt hole there. I'm at about 1 inch and a 1/16. So I got a 3/16 of a gap. But you're supposed to have an 1/8 to 3/16 gap. Once I get it bolted up, I'm going to do the test with the drill bit, as everyone recommends doing. So I'm going to try that as well, just to double check everything. So I'll show you that once I get it bolted up. I'm going to try to hold my phone, tape measure at the same time here. It's not going to focus, but it's a hair over 1 inch. Alright, I got it bolted up, but fun fact, and many of you probably already know, there's really no way to see between the flex plate and the torque converter except for where the starter goes. And so I've got an 1/8 inch and a 3/16 inch drill bit, as they recommend, to check the gap. So I kind of stuck this back in there, and you can see that the 1/8 inch, I've got some gap, so that's fine. It's not supposed to be tighter than that. Now 13/16. It will not go between there. Might be able, I don't know, I'm just paranoid. I guess boy, it's, if I can get it in there, it's going to be tight. And so I think I'm pretty good. I'll take them all out, put some Loctite, and try it again.